Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to remove outline on mobile menu when we click on it in WordPress in Astra theme. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So when we click on it, now you see. So we are going to remove it by using custom CSS. Now go to customize section and we are in additional CSS. Now paste. And you will find all the CSS in video description or in comment section. Now you see input focus, input type, now you see section. So you can remove or add according to requirement. So it's up to you. And then you see border none important and then click on publish. Now publish done. Go to website page again and we are in mobile layout and refresh the mobile layout. Now click on it. Now you see outline or border remove when we click on mobile menu. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.